Hello everyone, welcome to Revit Hub. So today I am going to share the use of color scheme. So those who have not subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. So we usually use hatching to color a zone or area. So instead of using the hatches, as it take plenty of times, we can use the color scheme. So how to use this color scheme? For that you need to go to the color scheme. So to use this color scheme, you just need to assign room, space or HVAC zone to implement it. So today I have already added rooms in this area. I have 5 different rooms named kitchen, storeroom, retail, bedroom and living room. So these 5 different rooms, I need 5 different colors to be implemented here. So for that I need to go to the color scheme, click here, the color scheme pop-up will be appear. So here we can segregate this based on the HVAC zones, rooms and spaces. So here I have already added my rooms, so I will create the color or hatches with room only. So I will select room over here. You will see by default there will be a color scheme named number. So whenever you select this one, you will get the all the room numbers available within the module. Okay. So as I want to create with the name, so I need to just select this default one and then I need duplicate. So just click on the duplicate and you need to provide the room name. You need to provide another title over here. So I need room name legend, and you need to choose the parameter by which the color will be applied. So here I need to choose the room name only. Here all these parameters are based on the room, as I have chosen the rooms category. So it can be room area, room base, finish, like this way. So it will be room name. So I need to change the room name option only. So whenever I will check the room name, there will be a pop-up appear like colors are not preserved when changing which parameters is colored. So I need to just click on the OK. So all the rooms available within the model will be appear. It can be in the second floor or third floor or some other floors, but all rooms will be appear over here. So based on the rooms, you can change or apply your colors. Like if you want a different color, you can just change it to that particular color. And if you want to add more patterns, you can add patterns on that. As I have used the diagonal crosshatch small, so it will be previewed like this. Now you need to apply and OK. So within a blink it will be applied. Now if you need to add a legend for that individual color or room, you just need to click on annotate and then color fill legend. Just click and then here. So you will see based on the rooms all this color legend will be appear. So this is for the this floor. So if you need to change like entire legend, just need to select, then edit type, and then you need to change it to value displayed by view. As 5 rooms is available, that is why this legend is this. So if you need to change it to all, it will be appear as a all. See, another room is there in some other level, so it will also be appear here. Thank you.